On my morning walk today, I was very observant about these trees that are planted by the water. And I noticed this one right here. So the pattern of the roots. Look at it closer. Look. Pattern of the roots. That tree right there. So unique. But my observation though is about how the trees are standing so firm even after the hurricane. All of the trees that are here by this pond, they are standing so firm. Not one of them went down. All standing so very firmly. And here am I thinking, when the word of God says, the man that is blessed is also like a tree planted by the rivers of water that will bring forth fruit in its season. I am made to understand more firmly about what that means. These trees are so strong. They are so strong. Not one of them came down. All standing right around the perimeters of the pond. Is God so gracious to serve a great, magnificent big God? All the trees are standing firm.
When the storm rages on and I feel so alone, you shelter me, Lord. In your arms I am home. Shelter